Storm Claudia batters Portugal and heads for UK, causing deaths and chaos. Portugal has been battered by Storm Claudia, causing power outages, flooding, and 2 reported deaths in Seixal, an area in the Setúbal region south of Lisbon. The deaths, a Portuguese couple in their 80s, had reportedly been unable to move quickly enough to avoid the rapidly rising water level. Setúbal had been one of the areas where the storm hit hardest.
Message received.
Storm Claudia swept across the mainland of Portugal as well as the island of Madeira with a downpour of heavy rain and strong winds since Wednesday, November 12th. Lisbon, as well as the Tagus Valley, were also hit hard by the storm and reported much chaos, flooding, heavy rains, and damaged property. Streets in these areas were inundated with water and mud.
Olha, ganda pânico. Ganda pânico, olhem para isto. Não, vocês não têm noção. Isto parece aquela cena... Ai, foda-se. Não, está aqui um cemitério de carros. Não, vocês não estão a perceber. Olhem para isto.
According to the Portuguese Civil Protection Agency, there have been nearly 1,000 incidents in the country, largely involving more than 300 floods and dozens of fallen trees, which in some cases blocked roads or fell onto vehicles and damaged them. Around 14 seaside bars were forced to close due to the rough seas. Red warnings for intense rain in Santarém and Setúbal and orange alerts in Portuguese, Évora and Beja. In addition, up to 20,000 Portuguese homes and other establishments in Lisbon, Santarém and Setúbal were left completely without power at sunrise on the morning of Thursday, November 13th, according to E-Reads, an electricity distributor.
Olha, aconteceu agora em Santa Polônia.
Estação, os armazéns da estação de Santa Apolónia foi tudo pro ar, né?
Olha, caiu em cima de 2 carros.
The latest district to be placed on red alert due to rainfall by the Portuguese Institute of Oceans and Atmosphere accounts for almost half of the 8,000 customers without power, an official source from E-Reads told Expresso.
Caralho! Puta, mano!
The Portuguese Institute of Oceans and Atmosphere has issued a new red alert for the district of Santarém, joining the one for Setúbal, which is in effect until 10 a.m. due to rain. In the districts of Viseu, Porto, Guarda, Viana do Castelo, Lisbon, Leiria, Castelo Branco, Aveiro, Coimbra, and Braga, an orange alert is in effect until 9 a.m. due to heavy and persistent rain at times. For Évora, Beja, and Portuguese, the alert remains in effect until 12 p.m. Faro is on orange alert until 3 p.m. for the same reason. Between 9 a.m. and 6 p.m. on Thursday, the Algarve region will again be under orange warning, but due to rough seas, with southwesterly waves expected to reach between 4 and 5.5 meters, especially in the western Algarve.
Ai, é mar d'água. Ai, nunca vi isto assim. Ai, é a minha loja. Não, é quando passa o carro, mas também se passar é que ele só vai entrar um bocadinho.
For safety reasons, the Montijo City Council announced the closure of the Montijo Group of Schools, the Pota Joaquim Serra Group of Schools, the Montijo Professional School, and the Montijo Regional Conservatory of Arts this Thursday morning. Authorities urge the public to avoid unnecessary travel and to exercise caution in the most vulnerable areas. Be careful when traveling. Stay safe. Follow the instructions of the authorities, do not risk crossing flooded areas, and avoid leaving home unless absolutely necessary, the city government stated. A tree fell on 2 cars this morning on Rua Nova do Calhares, Lisbon. The warning was issued at 4:50 a.m., according to the Lisbon Fire Department, which confirmed no casualties. Between midnight and 7 a.m., firefighters recorded 26 incidents in the capital, including 19 floods in public and private areas. 3 trees fell, including one on Rua Nova do Calhares. 1 building collapsed, 1 building cladding collapsed, and 2 situations related to sewerage.
Eso se lo paga el ayuntamiento. Eso le dará el colle por...
Heavy rains also caused the temporary closure of the second ring road near the airport around 6 a.m. due to flooding. Between 2 o'clock p.m. on Wednesday and 1:30 p.m. on Thursday, a period marked by the impact of Hurricane Claudia, 1,292 incidents were recorded, of which 784 occurred in the last 4 hours alone, said National Commander of Civil Protection, Mario Silvestre, during a situation briefing held Thursday at the agency's headquarters in Carnaxide. Among these incidents were 215 fallen trees, 75 landslides, 257 collapsed buildings, and 125 flood-related road clearings.